In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram reel in Canva, step by step. Canva makes it incredibly easy to design eye-catching, scroll-stopping reels that look professional, even if you're not a video editor. Let's get started. First, open canva.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type Instagram Reels. This will show you a wide variety of ready-made templates designed specifically for Reels. Browse through the templates and pick one that fits your brand or message. You can preview any template by clicking on it. This shows you a closer look at the layout, transitions, and design. Once you find one that stands out, click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now the fun part. Customization. Here, you can change text, colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. Want to add your own footage? Just drag and drop your video onto the timeline or upload it from your device. If your video clip is longer than needed, click the video in the editor and use the timeline trimming tool below to adjust its duration. This ensures your reel stays within Instagram's time limits, short, sharp, and engaging. You can take it up a notch by adding motion effects, stickers, or music from Canva's built-in library. Experiment with transitions or animations to keep your reel dynamic and visually appealing. A quick tip: keep the visuals synced with the beat of your chosen audio for extra impact. If you want to divide your content into sections, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Split Page. This helps you organize scenes like intro, main content, and outro within the same project. You can also delete any unwanted section to keep your reel clean and focused. Once your design is ready, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose MP4 video, set the quality to high, and hit Download. You can now upload your finished reel directly to Instagram using your phone or desktop. And that's it. You've just created a stunning Instagram reel using Canva. Experiment with different templates and designs to find what fits your style best. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Canva tutorials.